every moment are we happy to rise? Just like the heart ECG rises and falls, rises and falls. Do we rise and fall? Just like day and night. Graphology is all about that. Akshar, Urja, Shastra. Mantra. Mantra, it is related to mind, and mind is governed by your senses, your brain. So, graphology is also called as brain writing. Okay? So, graphology नेमकं काय आहे? As we see the word graphology, if we break this word, it's a graph. We see the dictionary meaning. Study of graph. But graph of what? Study of which graph? So as we see the Latin meaning, understanding the completion of our thought process. Every behavior, प्रत्येक कृती, प्रत्येक ॲक्शन याच्या आधी क्षणभर का असे ना एक विचार तरळून जातो आणि मग तो प्रोसेस होऊन आपण तो इमोट कसं करतो, ॲक्शनमध्ये, कृतीमध्ये, बिहेवियरमध्ये कसं उतरवतो, त्याचा अभ्यास म्हणजे ग्राफोलॉजी आहे. त्याचं तंत्र, त्याचं मंत्र, ते मनाची प्रोसेसिंग कशी चालते, त्याचं वाचणं ही माझी तज्ञता आहे. सो वी सी हियर की द थॉट कम्स फर्स्ट, देन वी वॉन्ट टू एक्सप्रेस इट आयदर वर्बली or non-verbally, and then repetitive expression becomes our action. This repetitive action becomes our habit, our personality, ज्याला आपण attitude पण म्हणतो, आणि मग ही repetitive attitude, personality becomes our character, and that becomes our destiny. So thought च्या खाली याच्या कुठेही फेरबदल हवा असेल, इम्प्रूव्हमेंट हवी असेल, इव्होल्युशन, राईज हवं असेल, तर what is the basic ingredient to understand your thought? Processing of that thought, satya. And then this thought is governed by feeling. So, thought ला heal करण्याचं काम graphology through various patterns and practices. First of all, correcting your signature, because signature is your identity. The graph you are telling to the whole cosmos for all the legal matters and your presentation. So the signature correction and some patterns which we do, and there is a pattern everywhere. Our whole body is a pattern. The gods we keep in the temple is a pattern. Alphabets is a pattern, and how we write depends. We write in this moment, right? This is the action towards self. And then movement, that is senso-motor coordination. ह्याचं प्रोसेसिंग व्यवस्थित होतंय की नाही, तुम्ही जे नेमलंय त्या दृष्टिकोनातून, त्याचा स्टडी इज दिस. फिलिंग रिलेटेड काही इश्यू असेल तर डीपर इंटेन्स असतील तर इतर थेरपीज आहेतच. बट थॉट लेवलच्या गोष्टी करेक्शनसाठी ग्राफोलॉजी इज द बेस्ट इन्स्ट्रुमेंट. लेट्स टेक दिस एक्झाम्पल. असा ब लिहिणारा व्यक्ती किंवा कुठलाही अल्फाबेट लिहिणारा व्यक्ती, यू कम टू मी अँड आय एम लिसनिंग. विल यू फील यू आर वेलकम? आय से कम कम कम, वेलकम, लेट्स मीट, लेट्स हॅव अ चॅट. विल यू फील लाईक कनेक्टिंग? हाऊ विल दिस पर्सन बी? मिलिटरी, आर्मी, ऑल रूल्स, डिसिप्लिन्स, नो फ्रीडम, त्या टाईट बाउंड लिमिट बाउंड्रीमध्येच करायचं आहे. सो तो व्यक्ती वागणुकीतही तसा असेल आणि त्याच्या प्रत्येक क्षेत्रामध्ये तो असा असेल. अगदी एन्जॉयमेंट पण तेवढं टाईट बाउंडच करू. लाफ ऑल्सो दिस वे, खळखळून नसणार आहे. अँड एनी पर्सन हू हॅज दिस काइंड ऑफ अ इन्क्लिनेशन, फॉरवर्ड बेंडेड, इट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेज येस, आय एम इन्क्लाइंड टू यू, वेलकम, I am ready to connect. This only movement shows you ki yes, I am welcome. So such small things can be understood about self and others through this. Then just see this slowly sleeping. Wild handwriting. काय वाटतं ते बघितल्यावर? Every action will be slow. So will this person use the time and energy in an appropriate manner? कंसिस्टेंट टाइप ऑफ राइटिंग फैला हुआ, हर जगह उन्हें जगह ज़्यादा ही लगेगी, नॉट ओनली फिजिकली, अटेंशन वाइज ऑल्सो एंड इवन हेल्थ वाइज ऑल्सो. दिस क्रिएट्स लॉट ऑफ मेटाबॉलिक डिसऑर्डर्स, स्पेशली द डायबिटीज. So another feather in a cap, graphology is not only about your personality or mantra, the mind, the thought processing, but it also tells about the medical ailments. Well in advance, prevention. If you know that with the correction of those patterns, because it is sensomotor coordination, this gives the impulse to your brain and then you give out to the cosmos what you wish to. Consistently doing that for 21 days, 45 days, 60 days, 84 days or 90 days fixes the pattern, the habit is formed and the alteration happens. This is the miracle of graphology. You see the squeezed handwriting? How will this person be? Will he be open? Introvert, shy, timid, बोलू का नको, विचारू का नको, सांगू का नको. So the attitude will be this way. So considering these 2 points, अगर आपको कोई बंदा हायर करना है आपके इंस्टीट्यूशन के लिए और किसी ने आपका सुनना है, तो ऐसा हायर करेंगे कि ऐसा हायर करेंगे? ये सुनेगा आप जो बोलेंगे. टिमिड है ना, हुक्म मेरे आपका, I do the job, you tell me I do. बट ये सुनेगा, हाँ करता हूँ, 4 दिन बाद पूछो, अरे भूल ही गया. विश्वास पात्र है, दिल से कनेक्ट होना चाहता है, लेकिन काम कभी समय पे नहीं होगा. सो द ट्रस्ट फैक्टर, द वर्क फैक्टर, द कंजॉइंट फैक्टर, द टीम बिल्डिंग फैक्टर, सो मेनी थिंग्स वी कैन नो अबाउट द पर्सन थ्रू ग्राफोलॉजी. लेट्स सी हियर, दीज आर कॉल्ड ओवल्स. इन शब्दों को जब देखते हैं तो हमारा कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट हमें नजर ध्यान में आता है इमीडिएटली? लिफ्ट इट अप. Doesn't it represent your mouth and the variations in the mouth? So mouth we mostly use for communication. How will this person be in communication? How will this person be in communication? This is how we understand in deeper. These are all uses of graphology, especially अभी medical presentation हुआ तो diagnostic tool for health predicament. See the E and the ear issue, hearing issue is diagnosed. Then recruitment, compatibility matching between the couples, the partners, the husband wife, the parent child. What is going on in the child's mind? If the parents know well in advance, can they deal with their children properly? The career guidance, which faculty is suitable for you? So many uses are there as we see, and especially most important is SWOT analysis. If I know what are my strengths, what are my weaknesses, how can I take the opportunities? Am I the threat-oriented person, fearful person, or I know my talents and triads and I put it into action? These are so many different uses. Most of all is self-discovery to self-awareness. And now the sample of this. In the introduction, as I said, Saans, Ehsaas or Zindagii, Junoon. So see how we see Junoon in every person. Lata Mangeshkar. See, if we see this shape, doesn't it represent the Adam's apple, the vocal cord? She is so much connected to that, and that identity she is putting into. This is Hari Prasad Chaurasia, famous fluid. See how it is presented here? And these are these 2 nasal passages, जहाँ से सांस उस बांसुरी में फूलेगी and फिर ये controls है. How it comes, you want or you don't want, the brain makes that happen by you. You are also not aware of it. It's we who study that. Zakir Hussain, Tabla and Dakka. See, represented. This is Michael Jackson. His whole of life was regarding sex, gender. and Deepika Padukone. If we see this D,
हेलो
क्या दिखता है? उल्टा हाथ. We know her story. Anxiety prone, antidepressive drugs. And see, we saw the squeeze writing, so much squeeze. The starting phase of her career was so anxiety prone, so unsuccessful. But later on, she worked on it. Definitely the graphotherapy part also, apart from other therapies, and mindset trainings also. But graphotherapy also plays the important part. Correction in graphology, signature, and the improvement happens. And these Gopinath Munde ji, Gajendra Ahire ji, this is from US, Christopher, and many more.